One of the fastest growing dietary food supplement today, turmeric, is a household name. But who knew manufacturing turmeric would be such a hassle? Need for an exclusive manufacturing area, dusty nature of the product, extended cleaning times is just the tip of the iceberg. So we made Unstain, a non-staining turmeric extract. Think savings on time and costs. Think less water wastage. Think rising profits. Well, that's not all. Unstain has highest curcuminoid content, is free-flowing in nature, and is all natural. Switch to Unstain and leave no marks behind.